I live in a quiet HOA neighborhood. But there's one problem, my neighbor Karen, who thinks she owns the entire street. She acts like the trash can police, always looking for something to complain about. For some reason, she became obsessed with my trash can. One morning, I walked outside and saw my garbage can knocked over with trash everywhere. At first, I blamed animals, but when I checked my camera, I was shocked. It showed Karen walking by, stopping, glaring at my trash can, and then pushing it over with her foot. I ignored it the first time, but the next week it happened again, and again the week after. She even left a note on my door saying my trash can was an eyesore, and I needed to learn HOA rules. I tried talking to her politely, asking why she kept knocking it over. She folded her arms and told me she was teaching me to follow the rules. When I complained to the HOA, I found out she was actually on the HOA board, so nobody would take action against her. That's when I decided to handle things myself. I bought a motion-activated sprinkler system, the kind that shoots a high-pressure blast of water whenever someone walks too close. I installed it beside my trash can and set the motion sensor exactly where Karen usually stepped. Then I waited for trash day. She walked right up to my trash can and reached her foot out to knock it over like she always did. The moment she leaned forward, the sprinkler blasted a huge jet of water straight into her face. She screamed and ran back home drenched from head to toe. I watched her from my porch, sipping my coffee and trying not to laugh. Later that day, she emailed the HOA demanding a meeting about my aggressive water device. But when they reviewed the footage, they ruled that my sprinkler was completely legal since it was installed on my own property and was technically a garden hydration system. They even warned her to stop touching other people's trash cans. Since that day, Karen has never gone near my trash can again. In fact, she avoids my side of the street altogether. And every Monday, my motion sprinkler sits quietly next to the trash can, ready, just in case she decides she needs another lesson.